Okay, the highlight video from September 30th, Monday, greatstockpicks.com from our live trading chat room. Cerner, CERN, had that huge move. These are 5-minute candles on Friday, so that lands it on our watch list, and you can see the opening about 25 minutes this morning. And my thinking was sellers came in right here on this little candle. Try to circle it. Anyway, if they fail and it gets above this little flag pattern, good chance we get through the high of the day and then people pile in because Cerner made such a huge move on Friday. So that was my thinking. So I called it long at 51.84. Stop only 15 cents below. And there's the trigger. Then we get through the high of the day, and this thing ended up, because of that huge move on Friday, this doesn't look like a big move because it's so compressed compared to that move. But Cerner went from 51.84 to 52.89, and we were never underwater. That was a nice one. You can see on the daily now, this green candle. Just makes sense to have any kind of crazy mover from the previous day. Just makes sense to have it on watch the next day to look for a low risk setup. PSX. There, I switched to 5-minute candles. One of our all-stars, B-Turk, from our chat room, one of the moderators / all-stars, called PSX at 57.09. Worst case stop, 14 cents below. I believe it was probably right about there. He's really good at catching these stocks coming off a bottom, and this thing went all the way to almost 58. It went to 57.97. 88-cent move at its best on 14 cents risk. Again, that never stopped out. And Big Ideas, one of our other moderator all-stars, called RMTI just on this break of this early high of day. He called it 11, looked like this when he called it, 11.52 with 11.32 stop, and we got a nice move all the way to 12.25, 73-cent move in our favor on 20 cents risk. That's the highlights from today. The afternoon, I don't think I called anything for hours. It was just one of those, who knows what they're going to do in DC, and the market was just chopping all over the place. But morning trades, it's easy enough to make the money in the morning, where you can take your afternoons off if you want, at least in this current environment till earnings season gets here. All right, we'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Have a good night.